Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so finally I changed plans. I decided I'd install the fender before polishing it. So I just got the car in the garage. So you see that's the reason we were changing it. Many bumps on there everywhere. Yeah, right here. So yeah, we'll go forward and change that fender. And I'll probably do the polishing, sanding afterwards. We'll see how bad, like, if there's a major difference between the two here, we'll see it. Otherwise, like, yeah, we'll just make that change and we'll see afterwards. Let's get started on that. Hey guys, okay, just I just want to review. Maybe some of you guys have a Forester and you want to change the fender. So you don't need to remove like the whole bumper. You need to have just to remove it a bit, just to have access to some of the bolts. So you have one bolt right here. And to remove this bumper here, there's just one screw right here, and then you can remove the plastic clips that are here all the way across, and this way you'll be able to move that freely, and you'll have an easy access to this bolt right there. After that, you just gotta remove the bolts up here. There's a hidden one back of this cover here. You just gotta unclip it. You see there's some small clips. So there's one right there, and there's one right here in the door. So you gotta open the door for that. And you got the two bottom ones right there. And after that, technically, well, the fender should come off. Let's hope for that. If we look at those, so this is the new one I painted. This is the old one. Seems to be like a lot darker. Oh well, we'll see how it fits, and if it doesn't look great, well, we'll see. So yeah, one thing I got to do before installations, you see the old fender here had that bracket, the new one doesn't have it. I removed it because just for the painting, because obviously I didn't want to paint over the plastic. So I'll just have to install that, and we'll be ready to install the fender. guys, the fender's on. Not too bad. Yeah, it is a little bit darker than original, but oh well, what do you want to do? It looks worse on camera though. But yeah, one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that to remove the fender, you actually got to remove the side skirt. It's pretty easy. It's all like some small black clips like that. And yeah, there's like 5. You remove these, and then you have access to those 2 there. So yeah, I'll go ahead and tighten down the bolts behind the door, put that back in, and fender's gonna be on. As you can see, we see a small, it's hard to see though. Anyways, let me leave a comment if you think we should repaint that, but nah, I think it's good. Cool. So yeah, there's one thing I'd like to have a look though. I don't know. Well, we have a couple things we want to do. We got that I want to change. Shouldn't be too long. It's broken here. Got the replacement one right in the trunk there. But there's also, when I open this door, let me know if you have an idea what it should be. But yeah, there's that clicking sound. It seems to be that here. But yeah, I think I'll have, because I think to remove it, I got to take that off because this doesn't do much. I think I'll have to remove the whole panel here just to go have a look at that. But I think it's worth it because it's really tiresome. Every time I open the door, it does that really loud clunking sound. So yeah, I'll get to that. Hey guys, I got this out. So this is what was causing the trouble. So this is like this door stopper, you know, when you open it, and yeah, it seems to be in pretty bad shape. You see, like it's like missing a piece right there. So yeah, I don't know if I need to get a new one or if like I lube it up, or I don't know. Well, I'll try to lube it up and see what it does. Otherwise, yeah, I'll have to get a new one. Okay, let's try that. Okay guys, okay, so yeah, that piece is done. There's nothing to do with it, I think. So whether I'll have to get a new one, for the moment I just removed it because it just pisses me off. So at least now no sound. Okay, now we'll get started on the light. Okay, so now that we're done with the taillight and the fender, we're gonna jump on the cabin air filter. To do that, I'll have to remove the glove box, and this way I'll be able to get access to the cabin air filter. So yeah, let's get going. Hey guys, welcome to my office. So as you saw just earlier, the video ended abruptly because I ran out of battery. Sorry for that. And I didn't have the chance to make a full review of the finished product because I sold the car within a couple days of listing it. So as the video entailed, I'm going to tell you what cost and if I turn a profit on the car after all of what was done. So have a look here on my screen. This was a 2011 Subaru Forester with 137,000 kilometers. So I bought it before tax. That was at $3,500 after tax and fees. So it came up to $4,824. We had some $100 of transport. The new fender that I got was $80. The paint and supplies for that fender were $71.34. I had the second-hand or used rear tail light that I had to change since it was broken. That was $110, and the new cabin air filter was which was only $15. In total, this came to $5,200 for the cost of all that done and said. I was able to sell it at $7,000, which actually gave me a profit of around $1,800. That was about maybe 2 days work of doing all of that, the fender, the taillight, and all the small things that had to be done. So yeah, other than that, I was pretty good. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some new projects coming in soon. So keep posted, and thanks for watching the videos. See you next time.